Naveena Denim Mills Limited. To develop more sustainable societies, we as industry need to better understand how to respond to environmental, social and economic challenges and transform industrial behavior towards less wastage and more efficiency. Here at Naveena Denim Mills Limited, we believe in sustainability of both our product and our processes, measuring up to international standards, which is why our focus is on giving back to nature as much as we have taken from it. Over last 5 years, we have reduced our water consumption by 10% and CO2 emissions by 20% by installing efficient monitoring systems of international standards. Even in our buying, we focus on sustainability from our vendors and prefer products which show a high standard of social responsibility for the same. As the world fights over problems with power and its consumption, we as an industry realize where the future lies, and in understanding it, we look towards the sun as the greatest source of future power rather than man-made means. Thus, as the first step, our vision for the future includes taking our offices to the daylight concept, for which we are planning on converting our energy needs to solar energy. This reduction in our consumption means our commitment to use less power so the community around Naveena can get its fair share of it. Secondly, we are focusing on reducing our consumption by installing energy meters on our processes, which check fluctuations to enable us to save on power consumption. As a result of which, we have brought down our consumption by 25%. Our future plans are to reduce our energy demands by a further 10% in 2015. We are also firm believers in a very strong recycling culture. Thus, our industrial wastage, which is usually sold in the market, is part of our plans to convert back into our fabric with a wastage processing plant in the near future. Our focus on sustainability also extends to minimization of the usage of paper in our processes. Thus, we are also in the process of switching our systems to ERP or a paperless system in our offices, where we have currently converted all our internal approvals to digital, to make them more in sync with today's world as well as our vision. Naveena believes in leading from the front and is thus constantly exchanging old technologies and processes for the new. We don't want to make just denim, but also contribute towards a better world for people to wear it in.